Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kube ne video lethwini ngendlela lesimanga yalapha eJamestown FNB la khona majida bambe i-heist laphana FNB kulela bank. So bayibambe njani majida i-heist? Majida agubha ithanela libalidela straight laphana e-FNB ebranchini lakhona lelapha eJamestown, bathatha yonke imali lelaphana bashaya baqitha. Kuyakhombisa ukuthi la majida aboqhwepheshe bongcondongcondo since abazange abafuna kwenda into leli engqolile, benda nje i-clean job, no evidence, no suspect, no dead people, no what. Bayishaya ijob yabo bafana yabaklini. Abantu abaningi babavuma basho ukuthi hayi cha, la majida bongcondongcondo bochwepheshe. Uyabona nje ukuthi laba akusibo abantu labathatha ama-chance, abantu labahleli kahle bayiplan indi yabo isikhathi lesidze babe sebasho nje ukuthi badoyishaya njani. Bayishaya amajida yaba successfully heist, bashaya baqitha nemali. Guess what? So I remember there was someone lothi uyabona le heist ukuthi bashaya abahleli njani. You will see now umuntu lo that was part of the heist sekaflotha imali. Guys, sengakala kwenye nangibhodi abonakala kubo TikTok adlalisa imali sijumba semali bo 200 bo 100 rand. Ngiyakutshela wena imali yakhona beyiningi ngendlela lesimanga. Guess what? Bam investigate le bhodi bathola ukuthi uyalinkwa naleya heist le yendiwe lapha eFNB eJamestown, damkhalela bamfaka bosankosi. So guys, I don't know ukuthi wenda njani ngokuthi nithi senishaya i-clean job ngakabanjwa ningasolwa nokusolwa bese wena uyadijampisela. So abantu bahleka lapha ku-TikTok because bantu basho ukuthi wena utobanjwa. Abantu bahleka lapha ku-TikTok ngemva kokuthi beveke ukuthi bhodi nangu phela ubanjiwe ulinkwa nayo i-heist lapha e-FNB. Ungathi sikwade nje mavura ukuthi awunamali ungilopholo bese uyafika wena esithubeni uzidlalisela imali. Obviously siyazi ukuthi le mali itshontshiwe. Why ungadla imali yakho ensaleni ukuthi ithulele? Ngiyobanjwe ngumuntu, ngiyosolwe ngumuntu, but the fact that uhambe wena imali wayekhombisa abantu ku-TikTok sethi yamkhalela namhlanje abantu bayasho ukuthi kodwa sasho ukuthi lo uyalinkwa naleya heist. So bathi abantu into labayikhalelako nayo ninyalo ukuthi mjida angaqhuli makafika le angasho ukuthi mina bekunabozibani akatifele yedwa because utendile, because yena nguye lo decide ukuthi efaka on the spot. So please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.